What's up everyone, this is Mario Virgil. Welcome back for another video. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the MV Driven YouTube channel. This is my 2023 Jeep Wrangler 392. It's got a 6.4 liter Hemi V8. Everyone likes to talk about the 392's price, but one of the main reasons why I bought it is simply because of the sound, which I absolutely love. So today we're gonna find out if that sound actually lives up to that hype. One of the best features is that it has a button to open and close the exhaust. It's very convenient just because if you're an early bird like me and you wake up early in the morning, the last thing you want is for your neighbors to be complaining to the HOA about your loud car. So I already prepared some clips. I did film some cold starts with the valves open and closed on 2 separate days just so they can be real cold starts. Now we're going to be doing some revs, some low, medium, and high revs with the valves open and closed so you guys can compare the difference between the two. And then I'm going to be doing some drive-bys with some low, medium, and high throttle so you can see how good this Jeep sounds. So I'm done with the talking, and now let's hear that Hemi V8. So that's it for today's video, guys. 392 Wrangler exhaust sound. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If this was your first time watching one of my videos and you like what you see, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day.